Yeah. Sir, you had come down to Goa. You met the Solid Waste Management Minister Michael Lobo also. What was this in regarding to?
Today I met the Honorable Chief Minister in the morning, Savanji, and after that I met Honorable Mr. Michael Lobo, and I discussed with him an important issue of waste management, in which Goa has taken more big progressive steps. The waste management system in Goa has been talked about in the entire country. So I hail from Sindhudurg and I am an elected member of the Bharatiya Janata Party. And so I had come to meet the concerned minister and take some guidance from him and understand the system of the waste management that they are following in Goa, so I can replicate the same system in my constituency and in my Sindhudurg district. Michael Loboji was kind enough to give me the right guidance, and he also told me he wants a delegation of the concerned officers and the people's representatives to come and visit Goa and see the waste management plant, where they will give us a presentation, and after the presentation he wants to visit Sindhudurg himself and see the ground reality, maybe give guidance to our Gram Panchayat, Jilla Parishad and Nagar Panchayat and other administrative officers, and accordingly take the relations between Goa and Sindhudurg in the right direction of waste management. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan has been promoted by Honorable Narendra Modi ji in a very big way, and we bring the legislators of the Bharatiya Janata Party. We also want to take the idea ahead and want to make the waste management project a common program between Goa and Sindhudurg.
Sir, are you impressed by the way solid waste management system has been implemented in Goa?
I am extremely impressed. It is a very progressive system. Michael Loboji also told me that Bangalore, Karnataka and other states are also trying to study and also trying to do the same system in their concerned states. Sindhudurg being a tourism district, I want it to be a clean district, and I want such progressive projects to come in my district. So that is why I came and understood the entire project, and very soon we will be implementing the same project in Sindhudurg.
Do you feel that the present Minister Michael Lobo has been doing the right thing in solid waste management implementing in Goa?
Definitely, he is a very progressive politician, understanding the need of time and working ahead of time, and he is rightfully taking the right steps in terms of waste management, which is a concern in the major cities like Mumbai, Delhi and a lot of small towns like Sindhudurg and other places. So understanding the way he has done and followed the waste management system in Goa, we also want to understand from him and follow the same steps in our constituencies and our districts and our cities.
Yeah, Nitish Rane, Honorable MLA of Sindhudurg area, where there are 3 constituencies, he had come to me regarding waste management. So they, under Swachh Bharat, they want to do entire Sindhudurg, जितके talukas are, about 7 talukas, they want to set up a solid waste management plant. So आम्ही ते काही आमंत्रण दिला आमचा प्लांट पोवपाक.
Okay.
Solid waste GWMC plant at Saligaon, Kalangut Plateau, we have invited them to see it. They can bring their chief officers, their UD, urban development जे त्यांचे officers are. त्यांना घेऊन या म्हटलं, MLA देखील घेऊन या म्हटलं, आमचे सरपंच त्यांच्या त्यांना घेऊन या म्हटलं, कॉर्पोरेटर्स त्यांच्या त्यांना घेऊन या म्हटलं, म्युनिसिपॅलिटीचे काउन्सिलर्स आहेत त्यांना घेऊन या म्हटलं. So we have invited them. They'll fix a date and tell us. The day they come, we will show them the entire plant presentation. आमचे किती आहे ना किती आम्ही कसल्या सायटाचेर आम्ही प्लांट बांधला, लँडफिल आमची सायटूच गार्बेज डंप बांधला, सो रेमिडिएशन करून बांधला, तर सगळे आम्ही त्यांना एक्सप्लेन करतो. And then we will go there and explain to all the people, NGOs, everybody, to set up this plant over there. So he has shown keen interest because त्याने प्लांट हो न्यूजपेपराचेर पळयला, इंटरनेटाचेर पळयला. They want to see personally.
So he is impressed by our state plant?
Yeah, he is totally impressed.
Okay. So